So this is our packing, pre-packing to put it all in our front room. We're not sure if we're actually going to be able to fit all this stuff in this little minivan we're able to rent to go one way. So we didn't do luggage for each of the kids because we figure if we have luggage, that means that unpack it on the boat and we just have to store the luggage or backpacks or whatever. So we're just going to do garbage bags for each of the kids as they throw all their clothes in there, and a small little backpack with little toys and whatever they need in there, plus their tablets and little electronics. Got some sleeping bags. We had some blankets ordered up there and shipped up there, so for the mattresses and mattress covers and the beds that are already on the boat. But this is what we got so far. So we're going to try to find out if we can squeeze everything into this van. So this van that we got outside, it's actually a newer van. I thought it was going to be Dodge Caravan, but it's actually one of the Chrysler models. It's actually pretty deep. When the seats go down in the back, it's actually deep inside. So we can fit the three little kids, Jacob, Lila, and Lillian, in the back seat. And then the three adults, obviously two in the front and one here in the buckets. And then Scarlett, since she's older, she gets to sit in one of the bucket seats. And then we can have Marley right here in the middle. And then what we'll do is probably put the kids' bags of clothes like on the bottoms of their, like under their seats, by their seats, and then pack all the like heavy odd stuff in the back. But it's pretty good. Should be able to get everything and squeeze everything in there. Prepaid for the gas here because they were saying it was $1.90 to fill it up, so when we drop it off I don't have to fill it up. And because up there, last time I was up there, it was like $2.25 or $2.30 or something per gallon, so it's cheaper just to pay the extra fee here. And that's what we got for our minivan to pack everything up. I'm videoing.
Sound of the bowling.
Where are the other two run off at? Or three? Oh, there's the other ones. Yep, you better run. It's about all you can get for your stretching. Passing through New York at night. This is what Florida kids do in Massachusetts. Hover around a heater.
Can I get warm enough to give Daddy a hug? Nice one.